Hey everyone, so I am following the theme. I picked these up at Comic-Con. They are were £1 for 10 random Lorcana packs. Now I never figured out what was in them, so I have no idea. When I bought these, there were I think 9 sets out at the time, so it could be any cards from any of the 9 sets. I'm assuming these are commons. I mostly pick these up at conventions as binder filler for the normal cards for the Lorcana sets. So I've got 3 of them to open today, so let's do that. So let's open this one. Okay, so no dear. Okay, so these say EN1, so these are set 1, which is first chapter. So we have Minnie Mouse, Jetsam, also set 1. So I think these are following what most do, where they do put all the cards in the same from the same one in it. So like I said, this is chapter 1. So we've got Aladdin. Okay, now I definitely don't have these ones. I never really have been able to get first chapter, so being able to pick these up is cool. And I think we've passed what was the folded. So yeah, I think these are all chapter 1 cards. Stitch, Archimedes, and Layla, and the last one is Stampede. Okay, so that was cool. And then second set, and of course it won't open. Ooh, like we actually have a shiny one. Okay, we do. Alright, so this is EN1 as well. We have Mr. Smee as shiny. So that's cool. I think it's the first time I've ever gotten a shiny one out of these kind of packs. Mickey Mouse. Maximus. Aww. Hey Hey. Goons. Beast. Captain Hook. Okay, that I know I've definitely never had that Captain Hook one. So that's cool. Mickey Mouse Detective. Jasmine. And Maleficent. Okay, that was cool. So on to the third and final pack. I do really need to get a new pair of scissors. That'll be on my to-do list next time I go out. Oh, got a pair. That's fine. I have another pair of scissors. There we go. Okay. Let's see. So EN1. So EN1. So this is also one. So all of them were from first chapter. So that's cool because these, like I said, I've never actually seen packets for an okay price. So our first duplicate out of the whole one is Jasmine, Elsa, Aladdin, Befuddled, which is Merlin, Break, I'm thinking the show it's a Beauty and the Beast one. Mad Hatter. Okay. Scepter of Althorn. Okay. Healing Glow. And then last card is Dr. Facilier. Okay, so yeah, these were definitely cool. And I will now be going and putting these in the binder. So that is going to be cool. So that is everything for today. So I will see everyone later.